Okay, I'm going to read to you Spiral Review Day 18. All right, look at number 1. Number 1 says to label each model with a decimal number. Make sure you pause the video as needed. Number 2, you're going to put the following numbers in order from greatest to least. Number 3, which is another way to write the following number. A 7 10 millions, 8 1 millions, 34 ten thousands, 8 hundreds, 1 1. B 78 1 millions, 300 thousands, 4 ten thousands, 81 ones. C 78 10 millions, 300 thousands, 4 ten thousands, 81 ones. And then number 4, 300,000 times 10, 500,000 divided by 10.